is Jimmy Tidd, and I work for Pipe Wrench Home Services as a drain technician. Today at the customer's home, what we did were two tasks. We replaced their T and P valve on their water heater, which is a temperature and pressure relief valve. Because of the extended use, the homeowner had not had this changed since they bought the water heater, and it was leaking since the time of purchase. So we came out and we took care of that. And we also took care of a partial tank rebuild on one of their toilets in the guest bathroom. And what's included in that is we changed both the fill valve for the customer on their toilet as well as the flapper, which extends the longevity and the life of the toilet.